Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a really cool origami. This crane bookmark is a variation that I created based on other models I found on the internet. This version is much easier and has a very beautiful result. If you're a fan of reading, if you study a lot, I believe this video is for you. To make this bookmark, you'll need a square piece of paper. I recommend using 15 by 15 centimeters, about 6 inches. Starting with the main color facing up, our first step is to fold it in half along both diagonals, marking an X. To do this, you just need to bring one corner to the other, and mark the middle. Then unfold it, and fold the opposite diagonal. Now that we have this X, let's flip the paper over and fold it in half, horizontally and vertically. Start by folding the bottom side up, unfold, and then fold the right side to the left. With these markings, rotate the paper in this position. Now take the top right diagonal and bring it to the center, folding this new line here. Unfold this, and fold the other side in the same way. Now that we have the two diagonals, let's fold this remaining part on top, right at the mark where the diagonals intersect. So bring the corner down, aligning with the existing lines. And then fold a bit of this corner back up, using the main line as a guide. Unfold this, fold the corner again, and bring the paper down along the same line as before. Now we can fold the two diagonals again, and this is the result. Turn the paper over, and for the next step, pay close attention. First, we need to reinforce these lines here by bringing them up. Now let's close both sides of the paper like this. Leaving the paper in this position, first reinforce everything well and fix whatever is necessary. Now let's fold the bottom diagonal edges to the middle, creating these two new diagonal lines. We can start with the right side. Then do the same with the other side. And unfold both. For the next step, first lift the first layer, opening the paper like this. And using the lines we just made, let's bring both sides to the center, creating a new flap. Lift the flap up, aligning everything as well as you can. With that done, this is the result. Now we need to open the left side and bring this flap up like this, reversing that fold. Then do the same with the right side. And now, as the final step, let's reverse a part of the left side. And we have a crane bookmark, a Tsuru bookmark. You can place the book pages inside this space here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.